Pressure.
Yeah, he wasn't concerned of that at all. When we first come out of the game, we run our base things, but try to figure out what sets, what plays they're going to go at us. But once we actually started to see what they're starting to do, we was able to start pressuring them. And at halftime, I remember him and Coach Reason was having a conversation about whether or not we were going to be more aggressive or we were going to sit back and play base defense. He said, you know what, it's been successful to keep going after him, so we're just going to keep going after him, and that's what we did for the rest of the game.
Was this, the most fun you've had, playing defense?
Every game's fun. Whether or not we win or lose, we go out there and have fun. It's always better when we win. But, we just want to focus on finishing our games, and I'm just happy that we were able to finish it out.
What adjustments did you see from, the first quarter all the way to the second half, the way you guys stepped up?
They hurt us on two different plays. They hurt us on the reverse, and their split zone was looking pretty good on us. We shut those down in the second half. We adjusted a couple coverages to put players in position to make plays, and we were able to make those plays.
How much confidence does it give the young defense for the most part, having a player like C.J. Stroud throughout the game?
Well, none of the guys are really young. We played 4 games, and because we played 4 games, we're not, the guys aren't freshmen anymore. A lot of the guys aren't young anymore. They got their feet up out of them, so we've been able to, sustain and not make the same mistake twice. And that's what some of the young guys have been working on, is not making the same mistake twice when we do it.